Have you ever dreamed of making money online by creating content but didn't know where to start? What if I told you there's a simple way to do it by leveraging the popularity of one of YouTube's biggest stars, Mr. Beast? In this video, I'll show you how to copy Mr. Beast's videos, extract the most interesting and funny parts, and turn them into YouTube Shorts. Plus, I'll explain how you can add a voiceover using either your own voice or ElevenLabs to make your content unique. Stick around to learn how you can start earning money online with this straightforward strategy. Mr. Beast, also known as Jimmy Donaldson, is one of the most successful YouTubers with millions of subscribers and billions of views. His videos are known for their entertaining content, massive giveaways, and engaging challenges. By tapping into the popularity of Mr. Beast's videos, you can attract a large audience to your YouTube Shorts and potentially make a substantial income. The first step in this process is to choose the right Mr. Beast videos to convert into Shorts. Go to Mr. Beast's YouTube channel and look for videos with high view counts and engaging content. Focus on videos that are packed with funny moments, exciting challenges, and intriguing reactions. These elements are perfect for creating engaging shorts that viewers will love. Once you've selected the videos you want to use, you'll need to download them. There are several online tools and software options available that allow you to download YouTube videos. Make sure to choose a reliable and safe downloader. Simply copy the URL of the Mr. Beast video, paste it into the downloader, and save the video to your device. With the video downloaded, it's time to watch it and identify the key moments you want to highlight in your shorts. Look for the most funny, curious, and captivating parts. These could be moments where Mr. Beast announces a big challenge, hilarious reactions from participants, or unexpected twists in the video. Jot down the timestamps of these moments to make the editing process easier. Next, you'll need to edit the downloaded video to create your shorts. You can use free or paid video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even mobile apps like InShot or KineMaster. Import the Mr. Beast video into your editing software and trim it down to the selected key moments. Remember, YouTube Shorts are limited to 60 seconds, so make sure each clip is concise and engaging. To make your shorts stand out and avoid any copyright issues, you should add a voiceover to the edited clips. You have two options here. You can record your own voice or use ElevenLabs to generate a professional sounding voiceover. If you choose to record your own voice, use a good quality microphone and speak clearly and enthusiastically. Explain what's happening in the clip, add some commentary, or even crack a joke to keep it entertaining. If you prefer using ElevenLabs, you can type out your script and let their AI-powered voice generator create a natural-sounding voiceover for you. This is a great option if you're not comfortable with recording your own voice or if you want to save time. To make your shorts even more engaging, consider adding text overlays, sound effects, and background music. Text overlays can highlight key points or add humor to the video. Sound effects can enhance funny moments or dramatic reactions. Background music can set the tone and keep viewers entertained. Make sure all these elements complement the video and don't overpower the original content. Now that your shorts are ready, it's time to upload them to YouTube. Create a catchy and descriptive title that includes keywords like Mr. Beast, funny moments, or challenges to attract viewers. Write an engaging description that explains what the short is about and why viewers should watch it. Add relevant tags to increase the visibility of your video. Make sure to select the Shorts category when uploading. To maximize the reach of your shorts, promote them on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Share the links in relevant online communities and forums. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to share your shorts with their friends. The more exposure your shorts get, the higher the chances of them going viral and earning you money. By following these steps, you can tap into the massive popularity of Mr. Beast's videos and create engaging YouTube shorts that attract viewers and generate income. Remember to be creative, consistent, and responsive to your audience. With dedication and effort, you can build a successful YouTube channel and start making money online. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating your Mr. Beast inspired shorts today and watch your channel grow.